when I was in high school and we had to do research papers, term papers, my teacher said you had to bring a bunch of index cards, and she taught us how to write the source and how to write your notes, paraphrasing or putting quotes. And you had to put the note cards in the exact right order to write your research paper, which was 10 pages long. You needed lots of research, yes? That was a lot of cards. So what I did for you is I created a Google form for you. Now, you're wondering, where did your work go last week? What I would like you to do is I want you to open up your assignment, number 14, and I want you to go to where it says Easy Build Custom Reports DataStudio and open it. Some of you are already there. You are going to notice that I have done some updates, and I have to thank Leonte because Leonte helped me with the graphics. So what I have done since last week is the Google form you are working on, I added it right here. You can use this Google form or this one. It doesn't bother me. It's either way what works best for you. Do you see the information that's right next to it? Those are your notes from Friday. How many of you guys have like at least 10 notes?
10.
And how many of you guys have 2? If you have 2, there is a problem. You're going to notice that it automatically sorts your information by main idea. If you wrote information under interesting facts or conclusions, that's going under introduction and conclusion. If you you really should only have like 1 or 2 things right here. This is supposed to give you ideas on how you're going to do your introduction. If you accidentally put too much information on this section, come talk to me and I'll show you how to fix it. Look under the word body. If you have any facts about early life and aspirations, it's sorted for you. So instead of having a note card like I have in my hand right now, your note cards are right here. Do I have enough information to write about his early life? No. So that's not a main idea that I'll be writing tomorrow. Do I have a lot of information about school and work? Yeah. Yes, I do. This is the area that I would probably write my paragraph on. I would pick and choose these facts to write a really good paragraph. I have a couple of accomplishments. Maybe this is where I want to continue my research today. So this is what you're going to do. I want you to have tons and tons and tons of information about your individual. You can now see what happens when you submit it. When you are done with all of this, do you guys see where it says the private comment? Make sure you do the private comment. Everyone will work at a different pace. Assignment number 14 is due today. If you feel like you are done with number 14, start assignment number 15. This will be a presentation. You can go ahead and begin.